Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can add the grid lines to your application. So for the first, we have to tap on this icon of the camera. In my case, I click confirm here because I didn't put the SD card to the camera. And right now we have to tap on the settings icon. And right now when we are here, we have to click on the horizontal grid. And as you can see right now on our screen, we got the horizontal lines, and it also saves when you switch the mode to the photo. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.